Hi everyone, we're looking at the two Ontario knives here. They're the model Red 1. Okay, they're exactly the same besides the color. This is black color and this is a pink color. Let's open it up. And the pink one. I just have to get this color because I don't see the pink color often. But of course I carry the black one. Okay, here's some spec about this knife. This has a blade length of 3.5 inch. The steel is Assay, it says here, and model 1. It weighs about 5 ounces. The total length is 8.5 inch. The pocket clip can be carried in 4 positions, as you can see right here. And it's 9er lock. Very good, easy to open. It's very smooth and fast. Has good chimpings on the top. I like everything about this knife, and the price is cheap. Inexpensive knife. On Amazon right now it's around $23, so it's definitely a good bargain. Let's look at the pink one. It's exactly the same. The color is the only difference. And here's another thing though. I thought, most women would like pink colored knives, but usually if you see any woman carries knife, they usually don't like pink that much. But I like it. It's rare. Okay, let's look at them side by side. The blade shape, I mean, to me it's a little bit awkward, it stands out here, but the jimping works well. Just as a look of it, it's okay. It's not that pretty, but I guess it's functioning. Overall, they are very good knives with the price. Thanks for watching. I have the item links below.